Namaste. Welcome to my channel Angark Yoga. This video is about 10 minutes beginners daily yoga routine. If you have never practiced yoga, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat and open mind. Before starting with any workout, we will do a light warm up. First, we will do Sukshma Vyayam, that is bending your feet 5 times forward and 5 times backward. Now we will repeat the same procedure with the other leg, that is 5 times forward, 5 times backward. Now move on to toe circles, that is thrice clockwise and thrice anti-clockwise. Repeat the same with your other leg, thrice clockwise and thrice anti-clockwise. Next, bend your knees. We will do knee rotation 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Doing this light warm-up will release the excess air trapped in your joints, making them more agile. Moving forward to kicks 5 times from right leg, 5 times from your left leg. You need not push yourself too much. Just do as much as your body is comfortable doing. Now try bringing your knees towards your chest 5 times from right leg and 5 times from your left leg. No need to push your body. Just do it as your body allows. Moving up to the waist rotation. Rotate it similarly both clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times. Practice it with a positive mindset. Any problem with the back, you will be relieved. Next up is side stretch. Take your right hand upward and move towards your left. Make sure your upper body is not bending forward. Keep your upper body as straight as you can. Now comes back. Repeat the same with your other hand. Now stretch both your hands upwards and stretch towards your right. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds and then come back. Now repeat on the left side. 2 to 3 seconds wait and then come backward. Moving up to the elbow rotation. We will do the same 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Try to touch both your elbows while doing this exercise. Now anti-clockwise 5 to 7 times. You can increase the number as your body allows. Now bring your hands down. Next up is joints of the hands. Bring both your hands forward. Move your wrist forward and backward 5 times upward, 5 times backward. This is a simply powerful exercise to strengthen your grip. Slowly do it with complete involvement. Bring thumb inside your fingers while stretching. Most of the time we focus on the big muscle groups, missing out on the smaller muscles and joints. Now we will do wrist rotation 5 to 10 times clockwise and 5 to 10 times anti-clockwise. Moving forward to neck. Bend your neck 5 times forward and 5 times backwards. Don't pressurize your neck. Do it slowly and do not close your eyes while doing this exercise. Now, bend your neck to your right, then to your left. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Feel the tension getting released from your neck muscles. It's very relaxing. Similarly, exercise your eyes. Right, left, right, left. Repeat it for the 5 times. Then rotate your eyes 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. So this completes your warm. Lie down. We will practice some of the important asanas. First is Pavan Mukht Asana or gas release pose. Bring the knee towards your head and move your face forward. Try to touch your knee with your nose, then with your chin. Now repeat the same procedure with your other leg. Then your chin. Then bring your knee down. Now repeat it with both your legs. Both the knees towards your chest. Then try to touch your knees with your nose, then with your chest. Hold it for 30 to 40 seconds. Then bring your chest down, then your legs down. Relax. Next is Markat Asana. Spread both the hands at the level of your shoulder. Now turn your knees towards the right side and your neck to the left side. Hold for a few seconds and bring your knees slowly towards the left side and your neck to the right side. Hold this position for a few seconds. Any level of back pain, this is the best exercise. Now come back to the original position after a few repetitions of this asana. Moving on to the Noka Asana, the boat pose, which is highly effective in reducing the belly fat and toning your abs. Remain in this position for a few seconds and come back slowly while exhaling. Relax. Let's do some breathing exercises. Sit down in any of the asana you are comfortable with. We will do Kapalbhati first, that is rapid exhalation. Close your eyes, back straight. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the abdominal muscles. 60 outward strokes is ideal for a beginner. Slowly you can increase it to 70 or 80. Next up is Om chanting. Focus in between your eyebrows. Deep breath in and slowly breathe out, chanting Om. We will practice this 3 to 5 times. The vibration created by this sound helps cleanse, balance and purify your body and creates an aura around you. Feel it. Let your ego melt along. Hands together, place your palms on your eyes, on your face, on your ears, on your arms, on your legs. This will activate the acupressure point. Lastly, close your eyes and lie down in Shavasana for 30 seconds.